Hello friends, welcome to SuzukiLianaPK.com. Today we'll see how to troubleshoot faulty power window switch on Suzuki Liana or Aereo. First of all, remove the power switch from the door panel. It is only fixed. Remove the connector. We'll see how this switch works, and if needed we'll strip it out and see if there's a problem in the switch. First of all, we'll remove the door panel, and for that you can watch this video. After removing the panel, inspect the switch wiring and see if everything is in place and working perfectly alright. There are 2-3 connectors in there. Some linkages, a motor seems to be okay. There seems to be a problem, and somebody has previously altered the wiring, and I think the connector has been removed previously, as I've bought it pre-owned, so there is a problem in the wiring. So we connect the wire and see if the power switch works, and see, yes, it's working. That's good. So there was only a problem of the small wire disconnected from its place. Checking it from the other place, and it's working from all the positions. That's good. It's working. Secure the wiring, and if at all there's no problem with the wiring, then we'll see how this power switch works. We'll try to dismantle it and see how it works. There are 4 locks which can be removed gently by pushing it outwards, and carefully remove it. The switch is in two portions. One is the lower portion. Here you can see the connectors, the brass connectors, and these are 4 connectors, 2 for each position, and we have tiny strips which makes contacts for up position and down position. These are 2 of such strips. The construction says that it has a sharp edges which gets fixed in the plastic portion, and these connectors makes contact for the operation of the window. So after cleaning it, generally there is not a much of a problem, just corrosion is deposited on these terminals. So remove it, clean it, and after cleaning just paste them back, and hopefully it will work, because there's not a big deal and there's nothing intricate in that. Just place it back, the sharp edges to go into the small tiny holes like this, and put them back here, and the other one also. After putting them in place, these strips are operated by small packs, plastic packs, which are on the other portion of the switch, and these are spring loaded. So we'll after inspecting that, we'll fix them back and ensure that locks are in place. And hopefully the switch should work now, because there's nothing very complicated in this switch. So anybody can do it themselves at their own, and it could be a DIY repair of the door window switch. Let's put it back and see if it works, and hopefully it will work perfectly. Check it from all positions, from driver side door and from the individual door itself. After ensuring the operation, we'll put the panels back. Hopefully you have liked this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and hit like on them. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.